Alright guys, SimpleShot pro tip. This is going a little bit more into why we leave that extra bit of rubber at the end of our bands for tie-in to hit our magic sweet spot for active band length. So we're going to show you today with the Scout Slingshot. So we're going to use the FlipClips here, and you'll notice the FlipClips do have a side to them. So in a through the fork orientation, they're going to go on the different prong versus over the top. But we've got little markings on there for you. It's quite intuitive. Put it in place. Got that one started. Put your washer on. And get your screws started. So what I like to do is I like to go ahead and assemble them almost all the way. Leave a couple of threads out so that I've got a nice gap there. Alright, we'll do the same thing with the other side. So we're setting up in an over the top configuration. Alright, got that one set up. Okay. So here is why we leave the extra ½ inch of rubber. So in the system that we've got here, once we clamp this down, we essentially attached it there. So right now we're going to seat this in place, make sure that the band's centered up. Hold it in place with our thumb, and we can see here that we've got some rubber that's trapped underneath here. So whether you're using a wrap and tuck method for tying on a natural, which you know can be kind of a pain, the FlipClip solves that. Either system, you want to make sure you leave a little extra rubber for the attachment. You don't have to use as much for the FlipClip system as you would for a natural. So we've got it in place. It says simple. Just tightening it on down until you bottom. That's it. You don't have to go very tight. That side's attached. And we're going to show you another quick tip when we've got it here. We're shooting an over top configuration. We want this to be the side of the pouch that holds our projectile. So we want to keep that orientation the same as we attach it in. So we're just going to keep that looking up and move it on around. And same process for this side. And snug. And now we are set up in an over-the-top configuration. We've got about 6 inches of working rubber, where the rubber attaches to the slingshot and where it attaches to the pouch. So just another pro tip for you there. Tinkering with your slingshot's the best way to learn about it. Second best way is to watch our videos. So if you've got more questions, we welcome your comments. Get out and shoot your slingshot.